Hello, welcome to my screencast for our e-business website. The reason why I'm wearing baby pink today is because our website is based on the birth in Holland, and that is a pregnancy service. We made our own version of that. It's called Little Mice, as you can see here on the screen. I'll refresh it. So yeah, this is our homepage. On every page we have our logo, a book a course button, so it's like convenient for our clients to book a course. And also down below we have a like button for our Facebook and a sign up for news updates and stuff. So also on the home button we have a little explanation what little mice exactly means, and also an overview, small overview of what we are offering for our company. Okay, so here above are the sub menus. Click to the next menu, then you will come to the next page. It's the About Us page, just a short explanation about what we do. The most important page, I think, is the page with our courses and services. Here you can see the 3 courses we offer and the 2 services that we provide. For the courses, you can immediately book a course here, or you can click on more to see more info about a course, and you will come to a page where you have more explanation. And here as well, you can also book this course, and then you will see all our times and dates that are scheduled for the course, and then you can book one right away. Not really, because we don't actually have a course, but just for the idea. And then the next one is our team, just a small introduction to me and my partner for this project. And personally, my favorite page is the next page, is the merchandise page, because here are all the cute little baby clothes that I all designed myself. Look how cute they are, and then you can just add them to your cart and buy them. Last but not least, the contact page. We here have a contact form where you can leave all your details behind, ask a question, leave a message, and of course our address, phone, and email. So this was it for my screencast. I hope you visit my website because I spent a long time doing it. Thank you.